Got my seafood stuffed salmon. As you can see, I am chopping up shrimp and some mushrooms. Very, very tasty. Make sure everything is nice and clean. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up my shrimp mixture that you guys see right here. And the mushrooms, we're going to cook them for about 5 minutes or up to your liking. And then that's what we're going to stuff the salmon with. Chopping up my green onions, which is going to also go in the mix. And there you see the mushrooms and the shrimp. And in the bowl to your left, that is a little bit of bacon, which I'm going to mix with crab and cream cheese and a little bit of garlic. As you can see, I got the Philadelphia cream cheese. That is the main base to your dip. And yes, make sure it is softened. You have to leave it out for at least 20 to 30 minutes to get it soft. As you can see, I have some Parmesan cheese. You do not need the whole bag. I'm just using probably about half. Very, very delicious. It gives the mixture extra good flavor. You definitely don't want to miss out. If you don't like Parmesan, you can use whatever type of cheese that you would like. Make sure you mix very, very well, and this is going to go inside your salmon. Once your salmon, everything is nice and clean, you can add your mixture. You can put as much as you like. Now with me, I love me some good old seafood and I love me some salmon, y'all. Let me tell you, I put a whole bunch in there. All right, I got my second piece up top, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of butter and I'm going to put it on the salmon. That gives it an extra good crust. I highly recommend it. You don't need a whole lot. And then add a little bit more seasoning of your liking, and it'll go into the cast iron skillet, and then it will go into the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, 3-point squat, into the cast iron it goes. See y'all 15 minutes, 350 degrees. Thank you for hanging out with your girl Kenneshia today. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button, y'all. And the subscribe, share with your friends. Everybody stay safe out there.